welcome back to another video on my channel. Today I'm gonna be making some slime. So I'm gonna start off with some Elmer's glue and some Tide Talk to Me Later. And I already got me a spoon in my top to stir it. And I'm making some blue slime. I already made yellow slime and green slime. It's not green, it's dark blue. Dark green, blue. That look green. So I'm gonna start off by and I already got red slime. Start by pouring some glue. I'm not gonna put everything because we do gotta sell batches of slime. And we sell them and making just stuff like that. So, and we do gotta get more glue. And a little bit more time, but the time can last us a couple more batches. So then what I do is add my dye. So yes, I did that's dye. And I'm going to use the same spoon to stir it. I didn't want to because then, so I'm just a different way and stir it like this. So and this fork kept it in. Make sure the color. This is not a long video because like I cannot have all my videos super duper long. And I'm just gonna use the same fork. I'm not gonna differ. So I put a little bit of Tide in it. And if you didn't know, Tide can help activate your slime. So you see this little thing start forming. I'll show y'all. So this starts forming and stuff. I'm gonna try to like this, but I doubt this is gonna work. And it did. So this starts forming. And you gotta make sure it ain't sticky, see? So you gotta keep stirring. It's still sticky. Add a little bit more activator. Stir. Keep stirring. Over and over again until your slime start activating. Then when you start doing this, you keep stirring. So I'm gonna come bring it back. So I do have to do another step, and I do not want to touch my phone. So move this. Okay. So I'm gonna start some more. So what you're gonna do is stir some more. See how it's sticky. So make sure you do pour a little bit at the baby bowl, a little down. So when it's getting all over your hands like this, you want to pick it up, start doing this. And then I'm gonna call my sister when I need help when we get out of control. And I just start doing this. This is some sticky slime. So if it still gets sticky over there, put your hand in your bowl.
Jay, you want to put some Tide on there?
Yeah.
Alright.
So I do need to put some more Tide on here. If we start bleeding it, have somebody put some Tide on your hands. Okay, that's enough. And then there's more Tide for you can see. Take it. Pour a little bit. It's still some a little bit in your bowl that's why you put it over your bowl when they do tight. Pour it in your hands because if it leak out, it won't leak on the floor or the table. You better make just keep doing this and this shit. I usually do this since it didn't get on this head. This head lock is gonna stick to it. So just keep doing this. This might be a 5-minute video or 6 minutes, never know. I made my other slime. I am going to show you my slimes that I made. But I had gave somebody my blue slime because they was begging for it. I just let it burn. So, try not to get this all of your clothes. But if you do get it on your clothes, it's gonna be a struggle to get it off. If you got a brand new outfit on, which I kind of do. So I gotta finish cleaning up my kitchen because I'm gonna redecorate it. So see the windows up with this stuff right there and the thing closed because I'm taking all the stuff out and getting rid of some stuff, and there's so much stuff right there. And I'm doing this while my mom doing something else. Because if she see me making some, I'm probably gonna get in trouble. But I did ask for it. She said yeah. So see what I said, probably we just can't get it everywhere. Because last time we got some swans. So you can just keep doing this. Because I'm just talking too much. So keep doing this because I'm not gonna sit here with that. But if you stick it in your hand, if it melt, you might want to pour the stuff. But I do not want my all hard, and I do not want my all sticky. So I'm gonna pour a little bit. But if you pour a lot and keep adding it, then it's gonna get. Oh, you pour it over your bowl because I just see I just wasted some on the table. I don't know what's inside that helps happening because every other dish soap does not work other than gain the time. So this is just a little cheaper way instead of buying a contact solution and all this other stuff and borax and all this other stuff in order to glue, or you could just go buy you $1 one of these and your $3 this from the dollar store. That easy and simple. So that plus that is saving money. And if you have stuff in the background, that's my family back here talking. So I'm pouring a little bit more because it seems like it's not working right. But I know I made it right, and I'm not gonna add no more because once it get like this, then let me stop it. So this is it, and I'm just gonna keep playing with it some more. And then once I do it, I'm try to make some swirls, which I never can do right. Stuff. So thought it was gonna be a 5-minute video. It's probably gonna be a 10. Okay. So this is some sticky slime because look, but it does come off. So this is some sticky scratchy slime as well. Let's see if I can try to make it. Nope. I'm gonna try. I ain't even gonna show you my other slime. I tried. I did have time on the table, so that just helped it a lot. So, yeah. Can I do it? Okay, let me try to make a swirl ball, and that's it. That's how I make my slime, and that's how you can make slime if you want to make it like this. You can add Tide to make it a little bit more, not sticky-ish, but it's not sticky to me. It depends how you like your slime. So now I'm just trying to make it this swirl ball. See, I can never try to make it right. I tried on my pictures, but it did not turn out right. See, it's sticking to my finger, so I'm gonna have to do this, and it's scratchy too. I hope y'all heard that. cannot make it. So, yeah, I'm gonna try to do my others. And this is my first slime that I just made right now. I made this one last yesterday. The bowl is kind of decorated. And the cover. Now I get that little peel stuff. And I'm not trying to mix it in with my slime. Oh, if you can put lotions on top, one bit. But it's just not gonna be as scratchy as it was. See? But it's like a firm slime now. I cannot make balls. But that is the end of my video. Let me show you this green one before I end it. And that's my green one. So yeah. I think I can actually make a circle with this one. Yay, I made it. I pooped. And that's the end of my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And check out more videos on my channel. Thank y'all. Bye.